I have been working out for over 10 years and have made a lot of mistakes along the ways. And if you are watching this video, I'm guessing that you are considering to start working out in 2023 and are not sure exactly where to start. This video will share some of the insight that I've had from years of working out and a few simple tips that will make 2023 a year that you actually stick to your fitness plan. One of the things that most people do when starting in the gym is focus on single joint exercises. These are exercises like bicep curls and leg extensions and only work a small amount of muscle at a time. Instead, you should focus on multi-joint exercises like squats, deadlifts, and presses, which work multiple muscles during one lift. Not only do these exercises work the most amount of muscle, but they also help to strengthen your body for activities outside of the gym. The other thing I would do is to make sure I am focused mainly on performance-related goals. Too often we get tied up in how much weight we may be losing day to day instead of enjoying the process of working out in general. This can be frustrating and lead to quitting your fitness goals in 2023 early. Examples of performance-related goals would be doing your first pull-up, running a mile without stopping, and doing 20 push-ups in a row. Now, in addition to that, so many people who are just starting out in the gym waste their time on supplements and pills that don't actually do anything. These products are often sold by people who have been lifting for years and don't even use the products themselves. Although a select number of supplements have small benefits to your gym success, you will make 95% of your fitness progress in 2023 without the use of supplements at all. And although that point is important, it isn't the most important thing to remember. Before we dive into those things, if you want to improve your results in the gym as a beginner in 2023, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we create all types of videos helping individuals of all abilities navigate through the gym, health, and fitness industry. Now, something that beginners often do when they start working out is picking exercises they don't enjoy. Why would they do this? They think it will lead to better results. If you see one of your friends lose a bunch of weight running, you might start it just to reap some of the benefits. If you hate running, then guess what? You will quit running and probably your exercise routine in general, simply because you cannot stick to it. In 2023, try out as many exercises and workouts as you can and stick to the ones that you enjoy. Another way you can also stick to your gym program much better is by reminding yourself why you started. Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to gain muscle? Or do you just want to feel better? These are things that are important to know and will ultimately help to motivate you when you are not feeling like working out in 2023. And if you're starting out in the gym, you might be following a few beginner fitness trends right now, which is why I'm going to link this video showing you a few fitness trends that need to die in 2023. And if you want a daily low impact exercise program to follow in 2023, we created another one below.
To tell me you're no good, I'm brushing away.